Here is a powerful reminder from NVIDIA CEO, Jensen Huang.
You are entering the world at an extraordinary moment. A new industry is being born. A new era of science and discovery is beginning. No generation has entered the world with more powerful tools or greater opportunities than you. AI is not likely to replace you, but someone using AI better than you might.
That's a fair point about the skill. Building on that, we're raising the bar at TKEthics this summer. Our AI Summer Camp is designed to empower you to not just ride the technology wave, but to build the ethical guardrails that keep it on track. Don't just learn to use the tools of tomorrow. Join the TKEthics AI Summer Camp and learn to govern them. Run, don't walk. Secure your spot today.